Every day we use electricity to work, have fun, travel, and discover the world. At GEWISS, we develop solutions to ensure energy is used safely, sustainably, and with confidence. In residential, healthcare, and hospitality environments, energy flow must be safe, reliable, and support everyday activities. Our residual current devices, automatic reclosing devices, and solutions for photovoltaic systems guarantee protection, comfort, and green energy at all times. Especially in sectors with high energy demands like industry, transportation, and city landscapes, careful energy distribution is crucial. Our molded case and air circuit breakers, rotary switch disconnectors, and metal distribution cabinets ensure safe and continuous process operation. In applications such as office, retail, and sports facilities, energy management must be well optimized and efficient. Metal distribution boards, energy meters, and time switches enhance system accessibility and help reduce energy consumption. Every environment has its own needs. We understand them and create solutions that distribute and optimize energy in complete safety. GEWISS Energy Solutions, shaping a safer tomorrow.